Hello guys, Steve here, RC. I'm with my brother. We're going for a little cruise in what, 27 degrees and snow with the Blizzard. And he got the CC01 Touareg modified. No problem for the RC.
Oh, what do I see?
But we're freezing. Just gonna get a little video. Too cold for me. I have one glove off right now just to film, and I'm not doing this forever. We're just gonna go up this hill a little bit. Oh. Blizzard's working like a beauty. What happened?
Show me tires.
Oh,
You
can't
won't see it.
He
Unless
put.
you turn this on.
Let me see. I want to show you something on my brother's tires.
Good
He
luck.
put metal spikes coming out all through the tires. It's hard to see, but he did.
Work. Try like that. Leave the light on.
He's got a light on, so now you could see a little bit. There's rips in this stuff. Slipping?
I just cheaper.
We're gonna go up, try to go up to the top. The Blizzard's going up this like nothing. It's meant for this stuff.
If I didn't have them spikes, I don't think I would make it.
Yeah, you're lucky you put them spikes on. My arms are getting cold through the jacket. Get it, I'm doomed. And I have a sweat jacket on too, plus this coat. Woo! Oh, Blizzard! Oh, look at that, cut right in front of my brother.
Try liking your bike.
Yeah.
Look at how much more I'm thinking in it.
Ooh, I'm freezing. I got no glove. I gotta put it on my forearms and my elbows. Whoa! That was nice.
I'm probably bottoming out yet.
Oh, I'm walking in the freaking deep snow like an idiot, trying to film. I gotta put my gloves on. I'm frozen. Whoa! You're going better than I expected. Well, at least yours is. I didn't think it was gonna go. Alright guys, RC out. Hope you enjoyed this nighttime video. I'm freezing, my hand's frozen, I can't film anymore. I gotta put my glove on. Thanks for watching guys. See you later.